star for years is on its way for all of us. To touch the perfection, Toyota is ready to reveal an all-new, next-gen Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. How many of you are excited? Well, indeed, a stunning masterpiece of innovation and engineering. Hearts pounding and pulses racing, the crowd is left in awe as Toyota unveils its latest breakthrough in hybrid technology. You're watching Tech Addicts, so get ready to experience the future of sustainable driving as Toyota sets a new standard with the all-new next-gen RAV4 Hybrid. According to a claim that was published by Drive on February 13, 2023, the Toyota RAV4, which is the brand's model that sells the best in the United States, would undergo a complete redesign by the year 2025. We anticipate that American dealerships will welcome the next generation Toyota RAV4 a few months earlier than those in Australia, because the United States is the company's most important market. The next-gen Toyota RAV4 is scheduled to arrive in showrooms in Australia sometime in 2025. The following is what we anticipate from the next hybrid SUV from Toyota. According to Development Drive, Toyota has reportedly begun development of the next-generation RAV4, which is understandable, given that the launch of the vehicle is expected to occur in fewer than 2 years. If the business intends to do the unveiling in 2024 or possibly the first half of 2025, then we may see prototypes out on public roads in the next months. In the future, there should be 2 new electrified RAV4 versions available like there are today. The Hybrid and the Prime, which is the plug-in hybrid. It is highly probable that the Hybrid will be more popular in the United States and in the vast majority of international markets. Specifications. In 2018, the RAV4 entered its 5th generation and made the transition to the TNGA-K platform as its foundation. It is possible that Toyota may continue to use the same platform for the 6th generation and simply upgrade it. Because of the release of the Corolla Cross, it is possible that the RAV4 may have a size increase in order to provide increased room for both passengers and cargo. For the sake of comparison, the present model is 180.9 inches long, 73 inches wide, and 67 inches in height, including the aerial, and it has a wheelbase that is 105.9 inches. The powertrain of the current generation of the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid consists of a 2.5-liter engine and 2 motors, one in the front and one in the rear. This powertrain generates 219 horsepower and achieves an estimated fuel economy of 40 miles per gallon as rated by the EPA. It is possible that the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid will have the same chassis, but the engine and motors will be upgraded to provide improvements in both performance and fuel economy. We anticipate a peak power increase of up to 225 horsepower, as well as an enhanced EPA estimated fuel economy of at least 42 miles per gallon. Functions and risk assessments: a panoramic sunroof, a gesture tailgate, a digital key, a fully digital instrument cluster, a Toyota audio multimedia infotainment system, USB Type-C ports, a power driver seat with memory function and lumbar support, and a 360-degree camera system should be available on the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid and 2026 RAV4 Hybrid from Toyota. The next generation model should upgrade from the current Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 to the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes 7 features. These features are as follows: proactive driving assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and automatic high beams. Talking about the price of the automobile, well, is it possible that the 2025 and 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrids will have starting prices in the US close to $32,000? Why do you have to wait for this model? And why is it such a big hit? Taking previous models into consideration, Toyota released the RAV4 to consumers in 1994. The original RAV4 was a compact crossover that hit the sweet spot between compact size, good looks, and genuine fun to drive. It was built on a modified version of Toyota's existing Corolla and Carina platforms, therefore, many of its parts were interchangeable. In 1996, the RAV4 joined the CR-V as a popular crossover in the United States. Larger and more popular SUVs back then included makes like the Toyota Land Cruiser, the Mitsubishi Montero, the Nissan Pathfinder, the Toyota 4Runner, and the Chevrolet Blazer. Large SUVs like these were pivotal in starting the SUV trend since they had the best of both worlds, the convenience of a car and the utility of a truck. But why did Toyota produce the RAV4 in a more compact form when there are so many larger and more desired SUVs on the market? The brand's designers set out to challenge convention by producing a vehicle that combines the utility of an SUV with the agility of a compact car. Also, it was successful. The RAV4 made a bold statement everywhere it went, thanks to its best of both worlds design that has stood the test of time. Sales of the crossover hit over 400,000 in 2017, marking its first year of true success. Since then, annual sales of the RAV4 have remained at that level or higher, with the vehicle constantly outselling its competitors, including the Honda CR-V, the Mazda CX-5, the Chevrolet Equinox, and the Ford Escape. 5 generations of Toyota vehicles are expected to sell up to 10 million units worldwide in 2020, according to Toyota. The RAV4, now in its 5th generation, is a global bestseller, but what sets it apart from the rest? We are analyzing the Toyota RAV4 specs to find out what makes this vehicle so popular and why it's been at the top of the sales chart for so long. The Toyota RAV4 is a pleasurable SUV to drive because of its exceptional fuel economy. Once you've driven a RAV4, you'll never want to get into another vehicle again. It has a spacious interior but is easier to navigate than a full-size SUV. Though compact, it nonetheless packs a number of innovations that put it in a light off-roading category. We are of course referring to the RAV4's increased ride height, 4-wheel drive, robust underbody protection, exceptional grip, and flexible driving modes. Sport, Eco, and Normal are the 3 available driving modes. To maximize your enjoyment on a well-maintained road, switch to Sport mode. The most efficient setting for saving gas is the Eco mode. Nonetheless, the Normal mode is balanced between high performance and low fuel consumption. The RAV4 is more fuel efficient than its forerunner, offering 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 on the highway. The current all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive models get a combined 29 miles per gallon, which is an improvement over the previous front-wheel drive vehicles' combined 25 mpg. The RAV4 Hybrid's combined rating of 40 miles per gallon easily outpaced the previous generation's rating of 32 miles per gallon for hybrid vehicles, and that means less time at the gas station and more time cruising in style. The Toyota RAV4 is a rugged and trustworthy SUV. The reliability of the Toyota RAV4 is a major factor in the vehicle's rising popularity. As far as comfort, style, performance, craftsmanship, and dependability go, reviews and ratings are uniformly high. J.D. Power gives the RAV4 an 81 out of 100 for dependability, which is on par with the Ford Escape. Moreover, Repair Pal rates it as a dependable vehicle, giving it a 4.0 out of 5, placing it 3rd among the most reliable automobiles in its class. For this and other reasons, the RAV4 continues to be the most sought-after crossover on the market. In addition, our research revealed that numerous RAV4 drivers have clocked in excess of 200,000 miles without experiencing any performance issues. The Toyota RAV4 is equipped with cutting-edge gadgetry and reliable security measures, so the dash's 8-inch tablet-style display is user-friendly and provides quick access to various options. The RAV4's multimedia system has added connectivity features in addition to Apple CarPlay and Alexa. The RAV4 has always been equipped with numerous security features: automatic emergency braking, automatic high beams, lane keep assistance, frontal collision warning, dynamic radar cruise control, roadside assistance, lane departure warning with steering assistance, and more are all part of Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which debuted on the RAV4 in 2019. The RAV4 is one of the best examples of a versatile car. The Toyota RAV4 was designed for people who wanted an SUV but needed the maneuverability and fuel economy of a subcompact car. The RAV4 has enough room for up to 5 people. The option to fold the rear seats in a 60-40 split is intriguing because it allows for extra space for passengers and their belongings. By folding down its back seats, the RAV4 can accommodate as much as 69.8 cubic feet of cargo. When both rows of seats are occupied, there is still storage space of about 37.6 cubic feet. The RAV4 also stands out since it caters to a wide range of customers, thanks to its many different versions and trims. Toyota offers 6 different gas-powered automobile trims, from the entry-level LE to the high-end TRD off-road, and 5 different hybrid trims from the standard LE Hybrid to the cutting-edge SE Hybrid. You can discover a RAV4 that fits your needs, whether you want a fuel-efficient vehicle or are more interested in high-end electronics. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the least expensive vehicles in its class, despite its extensive list of standard features and wide range of customization possibilities. Well, we'll update you with all the details as soon as possible. Moving forward, that's it for today's video. We'll be right back soon with more amazing videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.